Hey everybody, here's for another house update. I'm starting again in the closet. Not so much has changed, but we did hang our projector screen there. So instead of having a TV in the room, we'll just have a projector screen with the projector. And then here you can see the lighting and the sink and the toilet and the shower has been put in to the master bathroom. So it's all coming along pretty good. And then nothing's really has changed so much with the kids' bedroom. But here for the guest bathroom, you can see the shower and the sink and the toilet has also been put in for there as well. And then I had the lights turned on because I came here to install the Wi-Fi box. But you can see the lights up there that are on. But yeah, it's all coming along good. Not so much has changed too much in the kitchen. But there it is again. And then there's, you know, what's left, or pretty much everything is still in the same state as it was since the last video. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.